Kasia Folianti is one of the founders of Nevomo, a Polish company that's approaching Hyperloop very differently. As well as planning a Hyperloop network, they're also designing a hybrid system that they believe can bridge the technology gap and bring Hyperloop to reality sooner. It's a high-speed levitating vehicle that could one day travel on existing railroad tracks alongside conventional trains, so no new land would be needed. It's called MagRail and can be used for passengers or cargo.
In MagRail, we are using 2 out of 3 main elements of the Hyperloop system, linear motor and magnetic levitation. If we are going to implement our MagRail technology much faster than the Hyperloop system might be implemented in Europe, we can already test these 2 elements and then prove that they are actually working, and afterwards they can be also implemented in the Hyperloop system.
Paweł Radziszewski is their Chief Technology Officer.
We will adapt the railway track by adding the linear motor in the middle and the levitation system on both sides. Linear motor allows MagRail vehicle to accelerate and decelerate, and levitation system allows us to basically soar above the infrastructure. We start on wheels, and then when we'll achieve about 40 miles per hour, we start to lift up and the vehicle moves without any friction.
By floating above the tracks, there would also be less noise pollution.
We need to measure the railway track in order to make sure that it will fit our requirements, which basically must be very accurate for MagRail system.
Meanwhile, in Warsaw, another team, including engineer Natalia Strava, are testing the propulsion system with a half-scale test track.
The advantage of the propulsion system that we are developing is that it's much more energy efficient and allows us to obtain higher speeds. To fit the MagRail technology into the existing railway infrastructure was quite challenging because there is no much space between the rails to put something there, and we needed to add some additional components. So it took us quite a lot of time to figure out how to do it.
The electric propulsion technology between the rails is secret and cannot be filmed. Natalia's team are testing the new software that delivers power to segments of the track and should ensure a comfortable ride for future passengers, while also saving energy.
We want the passing between segments to be smooth, and we want to keep continuous thrust. There is an issue with passing through the segments because it's not so easy to keep continuous thrust. So we developed very advanced control algorithms that take care of it.
This hybrid system would be simpler, cheaper, and faster to build than Hyperloop, and can still reach speeds of up to 340 miles per hour, according to Nevomo. They hope to make this next-generation transportation a reality by 2025, with their full-speed Hyperloop reaching 740 miles per hour, following in another decade.
MagRail technology is the first step to implementing Hyperloop. In the second stage, we want to add tubes, which will remove air from the equation, and then we can achieve even faster speeds because we don't have aerodynamic drag.